Hello, third grade, and welcome to the second part of our reading skill today. We're going to continue looking at main idea and details in our lesson for today. Now, a quick reminder that we, as good readers, look at the main idea to see what the whole story is about. We start with the topic, 1 to 2 words that is in every paragraph of the story. Then we get the gist, and we can ask ourselves, what is the whole text about? The topic will be inside our main idea. Then we can look at details that describe the main idea. Details is another name for facts. Facts inside the paragraphs. Let's go ahead and start. Now you will need to pause your video and go to your class link, and then go to your study island, find My Classes, and then click on the assignment that has the same heading as mine, right up here, LSC ELA 3RN 2.2, determine main idea and recount key details. Once you are there, make sure that you have a split screen that you can see my screen and your screen as we go along. Let's go ahead and begin. As I'm reading through, I'm going to be thinking about what the whole story is about in one sentence. A local man named David Wayne wants people to slow down. He says that drivers often speed through his neighborhood. This makes it dangerous for the children who live there. He first began asking people to slow down when he moved into a neighborhood 29 years ago. He has since asked the city to put in stop signs. The city claims that the neighborhood does not need stop signs. These days, Wayne sits in his front yard holding a sign that asks drivers to slow down. So I can look at the beginning sentence, we call that the topic sentence, and the last sentence to help me understand what everything in between meant. A local man named David Wayne wants people to slow down, and these days Wayne sits in front of his yard holding a sign that asks drivers to slow down. So I know this whole story is about wanting kids to slow down. So when I'm reading through the options, I want to make sure that it's not talking about a specific thing, but the whole passage. Let's look at A. He says that drivers often speed through his neighborhood. That is a detail, but does that say that he wanted people to slow down? No. The city, and I believe we can cross them out here. You should have the cross out tool on yours. Looks like it's not going to work for ours. We'll keep moving. B, the city claims that the neighborhood does not need stop signs. They do say that, but that's not really talking about getting people to slow down. A local man named David Wayne wants people to slow down. I'm thinking that's pretty close because I saw that in my topic sentence. And topic sentences tell us what a paragraph is about. This makes it dangerous for children who live there. Yes, it does, but that's not what the whole text is about. Choose C and then click Next. Now we are going to do the first two together, and you will do the second two on your own. Now this part right here, this is called hot text, and you're going to see this on number 4. Now I want you to get a good look of what mine look like, just in case yours looks different. Hot text, you won't be able to scroll over, but you might be able to see that they are highlighted. And the way you can choose hot text is that you just tap on it. So just so you know what that looks like. And that's what we're going to be using for the second part. It says, which sentence from the passage supports the idea that people enjoy playing flag football? So we're looking for something that supports the idea. If something supports the idea, that is called a detail. So we're looking for something that describes people enjoying playing flag football. In flag football, though, players wear special belts with flags attached to them. Does that tell me that they enjoy it? No. Enjoying playing flag football. Players from the opposite team try to pull off one of the flags from the other person carrying the ball. Does that describe how they're fun? Or how they enjoy playing? Not really. This rule allows players to wear normal clothing such as t-shirts and shorts. Does that describe people enjoying playing flag football? No. People have fun trying to keep all their flags in order to score a touchdown. Does that describe how they're enjoying playing flag football? Yes. Tap on that answer and then click next. For this following part, you'll have to read through the paragraph about tundra. We've been learning about some different kinds of ecosystems in our science classes, so you may have a little bit of background knowledge for that. And you are looking for which sentence from the passage supports the idea, the main idea, that few plants can grow in the tundra. This is the main idea. Few plants can grow in the tundra. Which one describes that? And finally, at the end, which sentence best supports the idea? So the main idea is that school years were shorter in the past. Which one describes that the school year was shorter in the past? Once you are finished, click submit, and then I will be able to see your work.